Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to download and set up Kali Linux on VirtualBox. Disclaimer, this video is for educational purpose only. First, open any web browser. In the search bar, type Kali Linux download. Now click on the official Kali Linux website. It should be the first result. Once the website opens, look for the section that says Virtual Machines. Click on it. Here, we need the version for VirtualBox, since we'll use Kali inside VirtualBox. Click on the download icon under VirtualBox. After clicking, the download will start automatically. Please wait. The time depends on your internet speed. When the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder. You can extract the file in the same folder or anywhere you want. I'm extracting it right here. It may take a few minutes to finish. Once it's extracted, open the new folder. Inside the folder, find the file with the VirtualBox icon and double-click it. VirtualBox will open automatically. Now let's go to the settings. From there, click on System and under Base Memory, set your RAM. I'm giving it around 8 GB. Next, go to the Processor tab and assign 3 CPUs. Once everything is set, click on the Start button. After clicking Start, Kali Linux will open automatically. You don't need to install anything separately. This is the quickest and easiest way to run Kali Linux. It also saves time when you need to work with Linux again and again, especially during hacking tasks. Instead of installing it every time, this method is much smarter. Also, when working in Linux, using Tor IP can give you better privacy and avoid any issues. To log in, the username and password are both Kali, all in lowercase. Kali will also go full screen automatically. If it doesn't, just resize the window a bit and it will switch to full screen. Now let's switch to the root user from the terminal. Sudo su password Kali. By default, you're logged in as a normal user. To enable root access, type this command, sudo passwd root. Now you'll be asked to create a new password. Type the same password twice. If everything is correct, now switch to root using. Then log in using username, root password, the one you just set. Next, let's update Kali Linux from the terminal. First, type wuami, it will show your current user. Now, update the system. Sudo apt update. Then upgrade it, sudo apt upgrade. This will make sure everything is up to date and tools work properly. If you face any issues, feel free to comment below, and don't forget to join our Facebook community. The link is in the description. You can post your questions there anytime. We're always ready to help.